Comes in here. The big
Say it again.
cold water comes in here. The big blue valve on the side. You turn it off. Hot water comes out here. The big red valve. Turn it off. Relieve the pressure here. All you have to do is open it. Relieves the pressure. After that, you take the caps off both sides. Cap 1, cap 2. Then you take the small blue valve and open it. Then you take the small red valve and open it. And that drains the unit.
So leave it like that till
no more
the
water.
power comes back.
Till the power comes back on, yes sir.
So when the power comes back, what should I do?
When the power comes back on, you put this cap, actually you close this valve, you close this valve, you close your caps, make sure they're good and tight. Turn on your cold water. Then turn on your hot water.
Okay. So
Now, when you run it, there is going to be a pocket of air in there. Yeah, you can get that pocket of air right here. Come here, and that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.